Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we start a new series on main types of analysis, which is a crucial step for every trader who wants to become a pro. Main types of analysis, we have fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis analyzes strengths of a currency based on economic, social, or political data. Technical analysis relies on the price history and chart patterns using candlestick and indicators. Focus on fundamental analysis. This method studies on economic, political, and social news that affect currency using official. So, as I said before, we have two types of analysis in the market mainly. We have fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is based on inflation, interest rate, business cycle, monetary policy, whereas technical analysis or trade management, it is based on different strategies, maybe supply and demand, ICT, SMC, and a lot of them, okay? In combination with risk management, trade entry, and profit target. And all of this one, they can make you successful in the market, all right? But we basically are going to be based on fundamental analysis as I proceed. So be with me. Give us a source of fundamentals data or economic news or like that one, no news events. Or in my list, I have only two here, but there are a lot of them, okay? First one, it is forexfactory.com and investing.com. These are among the two trusted sites that can give us news events. What they give us, the news time, maybe when the news event will be released. It shows us an impact. Maybe it is medium, strong, or weaker news events by different color like green, yellow, and red. And another one, it gives us fundamentals data or data points like previous data, forecast data, and actual data based on particular news events. All right. So on the previous data, it is a measure of data in which a news event has occurred previous, so it is a measure. And forecast, it is we say it is a forecast or like a prediction of coming data based on previous data. And the actual data, it is a data that has already occurred in the market. A data that has already occurred this time and literally affected the market. All right, okay? So as you see here, I will show it and you can see, okay? So how do we interpret this data, okay? If actual, we say if oh, mistaken here. If it is previous, we say it is previous data. Previous data. So it is previous data, not actual data, okay? So if previous data is greater than forecast, means the currency will buy. Means if previous data is greater than forecast or expected data, the currency will rises, and here we expect a buy momentum. So in that news event we will buy. Whereas if actual data is less than forecasted data or actual data is less than previous data, the currency always falls. And what we expect here? What we expect here is that we expect here that we will get bearish. So, example, the market was at the consolidation phase maybe, and you see that actual data, previous data is greater than expected data, we mean that such pair, a base pair will buy. So if USD, JPY, yen, it will buy and it will be like this one, okay? Contrary, if it will be previous data is less than expected data, the market will fall down. So it will be like that one. I think that is clear, right? Yes. As I said before that we have different sources of fundamentals data or news event release. Like this one, as you see, this one it is a Forex factory. Forex factory. As you see here, it is a medium data. As you see here, okay, it is as you see, there is let's see. On Friday, June, we will have NFP among the news I told you. This one NFP, as you see here. So previous data, this one is greater than forecast data. So what does this mean? This means that all pair having USD, US dollar as base, they will sell. Like USD JPY, I hope it will sell based on fundamental data, whereby GBP USD, Euro USD, ZADU USD, and all different pairs with USD as quote, they will buy. So that is my expectation, and this is simple analysis. So USD JPY will sell, like USD JPY here, it will sell. And this is based on fundamental data. So be careful and combine with your technical analysis so that you can benefit from this one. Like as you see, previous data is greater than forecast. This one. Previous data is greater than forecast. So USD as base, it will drop. So this is a simple analysis, and this news it will be on 6th of July. So in Friday I give you this signal. Easy. So be with me, alright? More good things are coming, okay? News they tend to occur for USD pairs or USD currency like USD JPY, USD CAD, GBP USD, Euro USD, and whatever. Most of USD pairs tend to occur at New York session. So before news, a time to make analysis of a given trend, we will consider for H and D 1 day, all right? The time of news, when the news get released, what time to watch, it is 5 minutes to 15 minutes. It is the time when the market react and the given movement tend to occur, right? And after news, we will see a 1H in 1 hour for entry, maybe buying a retracement of the given news and whatever. So we can trade news by 2 ways. We can trade news by 2 ways. Active at the time of impact or after the news released. So it is our option, all right? And the major news on USD pair are NFP, BOT, CPI, and FOMIC, non-farm payrolls. BOT stands for balance of trade, CPI stands for consumer price index, and FOMIC stand for Federal Open Market Committee. Trader caution. So whenever you trade this fundamental, whenever you want to trade this news, what are things to consider? Avoid trading during major news without a plan, because trading news, it is highly risky. So avoid trading them, especially due to high volatility. The speed of the market tends to widen. Slippage, it means the time you open order, there is a delay of filling your order. So be cautious of this one and wait for confirmation, or use low risk pending order. So you can use pending order to enter your trade, or you can, as I said before, we trade by two ways. First way is trading actively, or you can trade by pending orders. Pending order. So these are two ways in which we trade the news. So we enter the market actively at a time of impact, or we wait for retest or other confirmation to enter in the market. Also, we can trade actively using pending order, like buy stops, or sell stops. They can be used to trade during the news. So I think everyone is familiar with this one. So consider them when trading news, right? In another thing about this lesson is this one. Conclusion. Fundamental analysis is the key for